Picture this: remote landscapes, untouched nature, and the freedom to roam wherever the road may lead. And to do it, you'll need to sleep in your car and sort of use it as base camp. Let me introduce you to the world of overlanding. Some people might call it glorified homelessness, but it's more than just a way of self-reliant travel. It's a lifestyle, an adventure, and a gateway to unforgettable experiences. So buckle up and join us as we delve into the world of overlanding. As you might have guessed, the concept of overlanding requires a vehicle. More specifically, a vehicle that can handle the challenges of rugged terrain and long-distance travel. There are a few types of vehicles commonly used for overlanding, and each one of them has their sort of own unique advantages. SUVs and trucks, with their rugged build and ample cargo space, are a very popular choice for overlanding. They offer versatility to tackle those rough terrains we talked about. They carry a lot of necessary gear and provide, sometimes, comfortable living space for those extended trips. Some of the top examples in this category would be from Toyota, with the 4Runner and Tacoma platforms leading the charge. You may also see some larger frame trucks from Ford, GM, and Ram in the mix. Jeeps and other sort of dedicated off-roaders are built to handle the more challenging landscapes, more rocky, crawly type stuff. And the massive amount of aftermarket mods, they're perfect for navigating really rocky trails, muddy terrain, and steep inclines. These rigs are more about navigating into hard-to-reach places. A bit like a toothbrush ad, but more rocky? I don't know. The balance here tips in favor of vehicle capability rather than camping luxuries. For those that are seeking a more home-like experience, campervans and RVs provide the convenience of a mobile living space rather than a rock-crawling thing. They often come equipped with some sleeping quarters, kitchen facilities, and yes, even a toilet, making them ideal for extended overland adventures. This is the category that I fall into. I want to be able to live and work from the road, and while I trade off some of that capability to go deeper into the wilderness and rock crawl and things like that because of the size and setup of my vehicle, it's fine by me because I get a rolling home in exchange. I prefer to call it an adventure van. Now that we know a little bit about the vehicles, let's dive into some of the gear that accompanies an overlanding journey. The equipment you carry can make or break your adventure, so you definitely want to make sure that you've got all the essential boxes checked. Recovery gear. This includes equipment like winches, recovery tracks, snatch blocks, and shackles, and all kinds of stuff like that, which all can help you get unstuck or someone else unstuck when your vehicle encounters some really challenging terrain. Camping equipment. Overlanding often involves spending night after night in remote areas, so having reliable camping gear is crucial. Rooftop tents, ground tents, sleeping bags, cooking utensils, portable stoves, and that's just to name a few. Navigation tools. When exploring these deep off-grid locations, reliable navigation tools are a must. GPS devices, topographic maps, compasses, they'll all guide you through those uncharted territories. Being that the future is now, some of these things are actually built into the vehicle you drive, but more often these days we're seeing phone apps like OnX Off-Road that gives users even more power to navigate farther from the grid. And I am not a paid influencer for them. Communication and safety equipment. Staying connected and safe is vital during overlanding expeditions. Two-way radios, satellite phones, first aid kits, fire extinguishers, and emergency beacons, all of these things ensure you are prepared for any unforeseen circumstances. And don't forget toilets. There are way more options for pooping out there on the road than you might expect. Overlanding is not just a mode of travel. It can be a transformative experience that allows you to connect with nature, discover those hidden gems, and forge unforgettable memories. So to embrace the spirit of adventure, plan your own overland expedition, and embark on a journey that will forever change the way you see the world. And go have some fun. Seriously. Really, just go have fun.